for this birthday cake craft, I'm not really sure how many towels and washcloths I'm gonna use. I will figure that out and post that afterwards. You wanna have a good number, and you wanna have one red. I'm gonna do something kind of special with that. And then you wanna have some ribbon and a bow. First, you wanna fold up the towel into thirds, which these are all kind of already done. This is gonna be the outside rim. That's the outside rim because it doesn't have anything there, any rough edge. So we're gonna start folding. This is gonna be your bottom. Take the second one, overlap it, and you can continue rolling. Okay, decided to go 3. Do 3 of them. So that's the last one. That's the bottom. Next layer, you're basically doing the same thing with a smaller towel. You see this is a smaller towel. And I think we're just going to do 2 of these. So we did 3 of the bottom bath towels, and we're doing 2 of these. Third and final layer. So these we're using hand towels. So the hand towels, instead of third, you can fold it in half. And you can do this with any layer so that we have towels of different sizes and stuff like that. You can get them to match this way. And this is going to be the top layer. Okay, here we go. So those are our layers, and basically now what I'm going to do is take the ribbon and wrap the ribbon around them and pin it on the back with a safety pin. So I'll show you on this little one. Alright, so finally I'm going to make a pink candle for the top. How I'm doing this is, I think 2 washcloths should be enough. I'm hoping. Just kind of little bit. And the red washcloth will be the flame. This will probably just be like this. And then we're going to use a small safety pin. Just a little one. Same. Everything over. I thought I would get away without intervention. Alright, so now we're going to assemble. Right, Dave? Right? You ready for the